Rony. My life is falling apart.
Relax. Life is just a badly written sitcom.
Fear not, mortals. I am now, Life Coach Chicken.
What makes you qualified?
I once motivated a potato to become French fries.
That's not motivation, that's murder.
Step 1, wake up early.
You wake up at 3 p.m.
Step 2, believe in yourself.
You thought the Wi-Fi router was an egg incubator.
Exactly. Believe in your own reality. Even if it's scrambled.
This is why I need therapy.